I hope you all are fit and fine at home and studying what the materials we are being provided to you, either whether it's on the live session or else the videos which we share on the YouTube, the links which you will be getting on your WhatsApp from the school side. And I pray that you all are going through all the stuffs which we are being provided for yourself. Okay, without wasting much more of time, let us move ahead of chapter number 15, that is economic development. In the previous videos, we have seen what is market mechanism system, and we have covered some of the points in socialist system. Both the terms market mechanism system and socialist systems are opposite to each other. The countries like Japan and USA, they adopt the market mechanism systems, and in socialist systems, countries like Russia and China, they adopt what is socialist system. In the market mechanism system, we have seen that there is no interference of the state, whereas in the socialist system, there is interference of the states. In the market mechanism system, we have seen that ownership of resources of production is either individual or private, whereas in the socialist system, it is opposite to what there is in market mechanism system. It says like resources are owned by the state. Second, it says that profit is at the center in the market mechanism system, whereas in the state, it is not like that. It says like all economic decisions are being taken by the states. And it says like consumers get good opportunity of choice in the market mechanism, whereas in socialist it says like rather than profit, social welfare is at the center of economic activities. Without wasting much of time, let us move with the another topic in the socialist system, that is what are the benefits of socialist system. The first point, it says unimportant and luxurious items are not produced. Okay, सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि क्या पॉइंट है. It says unimportant and luxurious items are not produced because of production which has been according to the requirement of society. तो ज्यादा या फिर unimportant जो luxurious items नहीं है, वो socialist system में वो लोग produce नहीं करेंगे. उसका रीजन क्या है? That they keep on producing, और ऐसी आइटम्स वो लोग प्रोड्यूस करेंगे which is according to the requirement of society. इसके लिए वो जो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है in terms of luxurious items, वो उनको ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे. So they do not give much more of the priority to the luxurious items which are not important. Second point, wastage of resources is not there. क्यों? हमने मार्केट मैकेनिज्म में देखा कि there are chances of wastage of resources because there is no interference of state in market mechanism system. But socialist system में क्या है? The state plays its part. State का interference होता है. So उससे benefit क्या होता है कि जो resources उसका wastage बहुत कम होगा. We all know that the resources, कोई भी ऐसी country नहीं है in the world जिसके पास abundant resources हो, जिसके पास ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज हो, बिकॉज रिसोर्सेज इज बीन लिमिटेड. सो सोशलिस्ट सिस्टम, जो कंट्री सोशलिस्ट सिस्टम इकोनॉमी मतलब ये लोग फॉलो करते हैं लाइक, तो वो लोग रिसोर्सेज पे ध्यान देते हैं और वो लोग जितना कम से कम रिसोर्सेज का वेस्टेज हो वो दे कीप दैट थिंग इन माइंड. सो यहाँ पे वेस्टेज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज इज नॉट देयर. थर्ड पॉइंट, इट सेज डिस्पैरिटी ऑफ इनकम एंड प्रॉपर्टी इज removed. Market mechanism में the richer they become more richer. Okay, the one who is earning more and more profit still continues getting more and more profit. जिसकी इनकम ज्यादा हो रही है वो ज्यादा करते जाते हैं. But in socialist system ऐसा नहीं है. The disparity of income and property is removed. मतलब यहाँ पे they keep in mind that everyone gets benefit of earning more money. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है. They try to achieve money in terms of equal ratio. So यहाँ पे जो disparity of income and property है वो remove हुआ है. Next, consumers are not exploited. Yes, this is the very important point. Market mechanism में क्या है, they they get more of the choices and according without the lack of knowledge. Okay, so consumers कहीं ना कहीं affect होते हैं. But in the socialist systems, it says consumers are not exploited because सबसे पहला पॉइंट बताया कि अनइम्पोर्टेंट एंड लग्जरियस आइटम्स आर नॉट प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो कंज्यूमर्स के पास ऐसी इतनी चॉइस नहीं होगी जो मार्केट मैकेनिज्म में मिलती है. सो कंज्यूमर्स जो चीज वो लोग बाय करते हैं, द थिंग व्हिच दे वांट टू बाय, द थिंग लाइक दे विल बी गिविंग मोर प्रायोरिटी और इंपॉर्टेंट टू द थिंग व्हिच दे रियली आर इन नीड. सो दे विल गेट मोर ऑफ द नॉलेज in terms of productions, in terms of the consumable items. So here consumers are not exploited because they will have more of the knowledge relating to the items which are being produced. Here it also says because of the role played by the states, consumers are being somewhere उनको advantage मिलता है because of the interference of the state. So consumers are not exploited. Now let us see limitations of socialist system. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या कह रहा है? People do not get encouragement and motivation to increase productions. So कहीं ना कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स इश्यूज है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स भी होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या है, क्या लिमिटेशंस पीपल को फेस करते हैं कि they do not get encouragement and motivation to increase productions. क्यों? Because here it says जो resources उनको मिलते हैं that are limited and which are not being given in the abundant. So people that जो productions करते हैं ना, so they are not being encouraged because of the lack or else reduction in the these resources which they are getting. So उनको motivation भी नहीं मिल रहा है to increase the productions. As the resource of productions are owned by the state, people do not get encouragement and motivation to increase productions. वही मैंने बोला कि lack of उनके पास जो resources जो कम है, resource of productions, so कहीं ना कहीं peoples are being they are not getting encouragement. Second क्या कहते हैं? Due to the lack of competition, contest and research doesn't get momentum. मार्केट मैकेनिज्म सिस्टम में क्या आता है कि देयर इज अ कंपटीशन और उसी कंपटीशन के कारण उनको प्रॉफिट दे कीप इन दैट माइंड. बट सोशलिस्ट सिस्टम में ऐसा नहीं है बिकॉज द स्टेट इज प्लेइंग इट्स पार्ट. ओके, सो उसके कारण क्या होगा कि कंपटीशन कम होगा. सो इट सेज ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ कंपटीशन, तो उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? कॉन्टेस्ट एंड रिसर्च डजंट गेट मोमेंटम. तो कहीं ना कहीं देयर इज लैक ऑफ रिसर्च, मतलब रिसर्च को ज्यादा मोटिवेशन नहीं, मतलब ज्यादा बढ़ावा नहीं मिल रहा है. There is lack of research. ज्यादा people do not go into more of the research, maybe in the terms of productions or so on. Third point क्या कह रहा है? Lack of individual freedom in this system. But obvious. यहाँ पे socialist है, government are playing the parts. So market mechanism में क्या था? Individuals को ज्यादा बढ़ावा मिल रहा था. They were being more of the motivation. यहाँ पे individuals को freedoms नहीं मिलती. Fourth point it says there is fear of bureaucracy because of complete interference of state. There is a fear of bureaucracy. What is the meaning of the word bureaucracy? It says a system where most of decisions are taken by the state. That becomes again the meaning of the word bureaucracy. A system where most of the decisions are taken by the state. Socialist system है तो state plays its part, so there is a fear of bureaucracy because in this the decisions are taken by the states. So उसके कारण उसी के कारण the state they are playing their complete interference और उसी के कारण कहीं ना कहीं ये fear रहता है bureaucracy का. So it says because of complete interference of state there is a fear of bureaucracy. So we have seen like what are the benefits of socialist system. Okay students, so today in this session we have discussed what is socialist systems, what are the benefits of socialist systems, what are the limitations of socialist systems. I assume you will get what I have explained you regarding the terms of socialist systems. I will be sending you the PDF about the video which I'll be uploading on the YouTube. Please go through the videos. Please see what are there into the PDF. Try to solve the question answers. And whenever we'll be having the live sessions, we will be solving out your doubts. If you have any kind of query, you can reach me over there and we will be discussing all the doubts. Till then, you take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.